Good afternoon, sir. My tech talk topic is active power controls. Active power control is two types. One primary control and secondary control. First types of primary control. The speed change from the synchronous speed installed the governor control action resulting all the participating generator turbine unit taking up the change in the load the established the system of the frequency. Secondary control the adjust the load frequency set to point of the selected turbine generated unit so of the give the nominal value of frequency. The frequency control is the matter of the speed control of the machine in the generating stations. The frequency of a power the system dep- dependent of the entirely upon the speed which the generator are the rotated by the prime mover. All the prime mover whether the every stream the hydraulic turbine or the equipped with the speed governor in which the purely mechanical speed sensitive device to the adjust the gate the control the value of the operating of the constant speed n is equal 120 f by p where the n the speed f of frequency p number of phase. So the frequency of a system can be varied by the varying by a of the speed of the turbine. Frequency is close related to real the power of balance of the overall network normal operating conditions of the system of the generators run the synchronously of the generate power than which the drowned by all the loads of the real the power losses. Power system of the operations at the low the frequency of the specific maximum permissible charge frequency of the 0.5 Hz effect of the quality of the power system. Definition speed governor it is the compares of the elements in which the directly responsive of the speed and the whose the position influence the action or the element of a speed governor governing system. Speed control of machines control of mechanisms the include all the equipment of the really pilot value of the servometer pressure of the power the amplifying device leave the liking executing between the speed governor or the governor control of the value. Mm, go- Governor of the control of the value of the include the value of the control the input the turbine at the normally actuated by the speed governor with the help of the speed control of mechanism. Speed charge the speed charge motor the device of means of the in which speed governing system of the may be adjusted change the speed the power the input of the turbine in the operations. Speed covering of the system this is the include of speed governor speed control of the mechanism and governor control value of the speed charge. Fundamentals of the speed government fundamental of the forces the speed governing of the system of the turbine control possible of the control of the value text control of or flow of the high the pressure stream through the turbine. Flyball of the speed governor it is a purely mechanical speed sensitive device coupled directly to the hydraulic amplifier with the adjust be control the value of the open, opening via the linkage of the mechanism. As the load increase the speed the turbine decrease the speed charge given the rise the common the fly balls move the over the word point B move the down the reverse of the happened with the increased speed. Increased speed. Even the diagram speed chart. The make of the possible of the restore frequency of the inertials of the value of the operating of the speed governor which the steady state characteristics the small download movement of the linkage point of the corresponding to the increases PCO in the response power the setting hydraulic amplifier the consist of the pilot value of the main the positions within the arrangement low power of the pilot value of the movement as is a converted into high the power level movement of the converted into high the position xt of the pilot value of the output position of the xc of the main the position hydraulic amplification of is the necessary so that the stream the value or the get the could be operated against high the pressure of the stream linkage mechanism abc is the rigged linked up pivoted at B, CO, CDE and another the rigged linked pivoted at the D. In the function of the link mechanism in the control of the stream the value of the get we get of the feedback of the movement of the stream value of the via COD working the load of increases in the speed of turbine of decreases in the charge raise commanded on the fly the ball the outward all the point of the move B move of the download D moves and upwards of the high the pressure oil enters into the upper the pilot value of the pressure to main the turbine they thereby speed of the flow stream to the turbine of the increase the maintenance consist of the frequency. Thank you for opportunity. Thank you, sir.